Okay. Mmm. Do you want some honey? No? Okay. So, does it have to be a full tablespoon?
Yes, it has to be a full tablespoon.
How am I gonna get this bitch on here? It's everywhere.
Our little friend comes to join us.
Okay, that's a full motherfucking tablespoon. Here, honey. Look.
Don't do that.
Oh my fucking life. Fuck it. Right in the asshole.
Okay, stand back because I don't want to get this shit all over me.
Dude! No, you have to do it with me. Come
I'm not
on.
doing this.
Let's do this. I guess apparently the key to this challenge is to breathe slowly. Before or after you take it, I have no idea. They didn't specify.
Okay, stand back. Seriously.
Fuck, dude. Take it with me.
No,
We'll share it.
No, you do it. Don't get it all over your laptop.
Okay. If I do this, you're buying me drinks next over go. No.
I already owe you anyways.
I'm pretty sure I can.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it psyched me out, you bastard. Okay, hold on.
You can't drink anything.
Not before or after?
No, you can drink after, but you can't drink
What would be
before.
the best thing to drink after?
Water.
Water? Yeah, you like my idea? I decided to put water in a pop bottle to kind of trick my mind. Because if it's in a pop bottle, maybe I'd want more water. I really think it's pop or something. But here, open that for me.
Okay, I'm trying to keep your dog here so that you don't spit cinnamon all over him.
Like I did the crackers. Okay, motherfuckers, this is going down like right now. I look at you, you're like looking at me with eager eyes.
Oh my god. Try and swallow it. Is that actually cinnamon?
Hmm.
Are you ever gonna swallow it? Is your mouth burning yet? Oh my god.
Well, that looks like
And it's gonna drip all over the floor.